How to enable dark mode on PowerPoint. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can enable dark mode on PowerPoint, which is a super simple and easy method you can apply up in order to turn on the dark mode on your PowerPoint as well. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So open up a presentation in which you want to apply the dark mode onto, or you can directly open up any of the presentation, and once you've opened it up, you can go to the File tab at the top and you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So go ahead and open up your options and this menu appears on your screen. And under here, you can find this option called Office Theme, this one right here. You can use up the settings, and for example, I'm using system setting, which is light mode. You can choose black and apply on OK, and it will enable the dark mode on your PowerPoint. So that is it. That is how you do it, which is super simple. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next video.